What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. So today I am breaking down two of my favorite products to combat frizz. So it's summertime, and if you live anywhere on the East Coast, you're dealing with humidity, and that is not your hair's best friend. Fortunately, I have two products that I love. One I just came across. It's been around for a while, but I've just been using it probably the last couple weeks or so, and I love it. That product is going to be Alterna's Blowout Butter. So it's a heavier product, but it won't weigh your hair down. It's ideally meant for thick, coarse hair, but if you use a drop of it and cocktail it with Suds Effects Zenith, you're gonna get one of the best combination of products to combat frizz. So this is a serum. You probably see me do a video on this in the past as like my favorite product. However, this is like coming up close second. And then I mix the two together and bam, I have magic. So if you have frizzy hair and you like to wear your hair straight, I recommend using this product with this product together. If your hair is a little more on the finer side, I would probably use a little more of this and a little less of this. If your hair is a little thicker and a little coarser, I would use a little more blowout butter and a little more of the Zenith. Now, a couple tricks with this product. It is a cream based at first, so you're gonna wanna use, I would say, if you have a good amount of hair, at least that amount. The secret for this product is completely emulsifying it first. So that white almost disappears. Then you're gonna wanna work it through your hair. If your hair is a little bit on the finer side, you're gonna wanna use, I would probably say about that much of this butter, and then pop in like a pea-sized amount of the Zenith. And now if you look at my hands, all the white from the blowout butter is pretty much gone. So it absorbed into the oil. Now you want to work that through your hair from ends to mid shaft. Pretty much stay away from the roots in the beginning. Once you get most of it off your hands, then you start bringing it through into your root area. It's not going to make your hair greasy. Both these products absorb very well into your hair. When you're blowing out your hair, you're going to start feeling how smooth it is and how much easier it is to blow out. Now, when you get out into the humidity, you're gonna have a little bit of protection against that frizz. When you're all done drying your hair, what I would do is take a little bit of the Zenith and work that through again, and you're done. If you got an anti-humidity spray, just kind of spray that in your hair and you're ready to go and live your life with frizz-free hair. Any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment box below. I've been getting a lot of questions about what to do and how to combat frizz if you don't want to get a keratin treatment. If your frizz is really out of control, I recommend getting some kind of a smoothing treatment or a keratin treatment, and that would really kind of keep that humidity at bay. All right, guys, if this video brought you any value, make sure you click subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you're following me on Instagram, make sure you tag a friend who might be interested in fighting the frizz too. All right, see you later.